Today we are out at Cars and Coffee Meet with the Northeast Chapter, and it's a true celebration of Italian automotive passion. From the timeless elegance of Ferraris and Alfa Romeo to the bold styling of Fiat and iconic charm of Lancia. This gathering is all about community, craftsmanship, and car culture. Whether you are here for the roaring engine, the design heritage, or just a good espresso with fellow enthusiasts, you are in the right place. Let's take a closer look at the lineup, meet the owners, and soak in the beauty of Italy's finest on four wheels. Let's roll, and welcome to MG Factor. What you're looking at the screen is the Fiat Barchetta, a stylish two-seater roadster from the mid-90s. The Fiat Barchetta combines Italian flair with a lightweight design and fun-to-drive 1.8-liter engine, perfect for sprinted open-top cruising. Another beauty in the lineup was Lancia Falvia, a beautiful engineered classic from 60s and 70s. The Lancia Falvia is the best known for its rally heritage, precise handling, and charming V4 engine under a sharp, compact body. This event was organized at Paddock, which is in my state, and they have got a good collection of cars, and it's a wonderful restoration shop. So let's see what they have to offer here. So next is the Fiat 1500 Classic. This elegant 1960s salon blends Italian sophistication with reliable performance, featuring a Pininfarina style body and a smooth ride, making it a standout among vintage European sedans. The one right now here is the body shell for an Alfa Romeo GTV, an iconic sport coupe with sharp styling and lovely performance. The GTV, especially in its V6 version, represents Alfa Romeo commitment to driver-focused dynamics and Italian design. Alfa Romeo Spider, a timeless convertible produced over 4 decades. The Spider blends classic Alfa styling with engaging rear-wheel drive performance, cementing its place as a beloved Italian roadster. So this is the Rover V8. It was originally developed by Buick and perfected by Rover. This lightweight aluminium V8 engine powered a wide range of British classics, prized for its versatility, torque, and tunability. This is Jensen, another British classic, a British brand tourer with bold styling and powerful American V8 under the hood. The Jensen Interceptor is known for its luxury, performance, and distinctive rear wraparound glass hatch.
That's much. Yeah, I got a good deal on it, so it wasn't that bad actually. I love it. So I've owned this for 47 years. It's a 97. It's a 74. They also came with
This is another beauty, an Alfa Romeo 4C, a modern mid-engine sports car with carbon fiber construction. The 4C delivers raw, lightweight performance and aggressive styling, offering a pure analog driving experience in digital age.
I put the decals on. It didn't actually come like that, but I think they look pretty good. I added like some plastic trim on the handles, and I have more coming. I'm gonna add it to the front and the back. Yeah, they're chrome. But yeah, but this is matte black, and I'm gonna get a gloss black, and I'm gonna put it on the front and back.
So, now let's look at what Paddock has to offer. Paddock is a full-service car restoration shop dedicated to preserving automotive heritage through expert craftsmanship and attention to detail, specializing in both classic and vintage vehicles. Paddock covers every aspect of restoration process, from bodywork, paint, rust repair to engine rebuilding, interior restoration, electrical system, and custom fabrication. Whether it's a full frame of restoration or focused work on a specific area, the team at Paddock brings a passion for authenticity and performance, ensuring each vehicle leaves the shop as close to showroom condition as possible or even better. And that wraps up this incredible morning with the Northeast chapter, surrounded by Italian passion, performance, and some truly rare metal. Huge thanks to all the Fiat, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, Lancias and classic car owners who came out to share their rides and stories. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car meets, road trips and honest reviews, and drop a comment letting me know which car was your favorite today. Until next time, stay safe and healthy, and thanks for watching MG Factor.